celebrate those who said no when others said yes. Why not when others said why? Can do when others gave up. Visionaries, not content to accept the status quo. They swim against the tide, thirsty for discovery. Change is the norm. They're out to change our world, transform the pattern of every day. Always on the fringes of thinking, making a path in the unknown. Forging ahead. Not to be different or abrupt or obscure, but to answer the questions no one else will. Creating solutions to established and accepted problems, erasing ignorance, bringing clarity, challenging the establishment, going against the grain to succeed. We celebrate game changers.